Hi there, Serial Trader here. Let's have a checkup on the major US indices. So here on SPX, looks like we're still just working higher to make this wave 5 of larger wave 3 complete. At which point we will then, be expecting some sort of wave 4 pullback, and again, not to overlap with this high here, if it is to be a correctly labeled wave 4. Which should come into play at 27.42 or so, okay? Which seems kind of far away at this point because we've just gone up so much. So still following the script, certainly still bullish and following those expectations. So until we're given a reason to, at least start looking lower in some sort of correction, you can just trail your stops up and ride this thing as high as it wants to go. Okay, that being said, pretty straightforward here on the wave chart. We'll go to the candlestick chart, and another new all-time high today, although we rejected from the highs of the day. Oh, sorry, this is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. It'll be similar, but yeah. So for SPX, new all-time high today, rejected from the high of the day, but still closed up just under a point actually, so essentially flat for the day on a closing basis. Still well above the T line and the 3T line. Everything pointing upwards, so don't discount that this could just keep churning higher. If you remember back in 2017, the thing just seemed to be endlessly grinding higher. Every time you thought it was ready to roll over, it just kept going. So I'm not saying that's going to happen, but be aware it can. Never short a dull market, as they say. Not that this is so dull, but it's definitely not moving as fast as it has been. Oscillators overbought here as well, but again, it can just stay in that condition for a lengthy period of time before it starts rolling over. So yeah, still looking bullish here, at least short term. Moving on to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Now, not new all-time highs, but certainly new recent highs. And there's only really resistance left now at the all-time high of 26,617. So we've overcome this resistance level. No issue there. So Dow looking quite bullish with the rest of the market here. Maybe starting to catch up. Well above the 3T line and the T line. So largely moving in sync with the S&P 500. NASDAQ composite. New all-time highs today. And actually closed up 12 points on the NASDAQ composite. So almost a flat day here. I mean, that's 0.15%, right? Well above the 3T line and the T line. So again, everything's in sync at the moment. There's no divergences between the indices, other than the fact that the Dow is not making new highs yet, and it's showing a little relative weakness because of that, but it could play catch up. So the volatility index, is that telling us anything different? Nope. Still the same story. Still very much just in this non-trending range, and as long as it remains that non-trending range, equities can continue to rise in those conditions. So no real fear being displayed in the market. All right, that should be good for now. Serial Trader signing off.